Hello everyone, welcome back. I know it's been a while, but it's been raining here like crazy lately and I didn't get a chance to take this baby out for stargazing. So here I am making a video for you guys. I was having this conversation with one of my friends lately and she was talking about the strange lights in the sky situation. No, not this one, I'm talking about the auroras or the northern lights as you would like to call it. I was very excited about the whole concept of how these things are formed. And it felt so alien to me and I wanted to make a video. So here we are. Stick around till the end of this video where I do teleport myself virtually and witness it using a VR headset. So let's get started, shall we? Our sun is a cosmic warehouse of charged particles. Not so long ago I made a video about sunspots and viewing the sun using my telescope. In that video I explained how the sunspots are formed. If you haven't checked that out, do check it out. So there is a lot going on in the sun that still today we don't understand. One thing that happens is called the solar wind. The solar wind is basically charged particles that is flung from the sun's surface towards space in all directions, and when it ends up in the path of our earth, that is a serious thing. But the magnetic field of our earth does a pretty good job at shielding us from these charged particles. But the process is not so simple, as you can see here. Most of the charged particles are deflected, but some of them do end up in the north and south poles of our earth. As a result, they interact with the gases in the atmosphere. And this interaction of the charged particles with the gases in the atmosphere is what gives us these dazzling display of colors. Depending upon the type of gases that react with these charged particles, different colors are formed. For example, if the charged particle reacted with oxygen, then green color is formed. If it had reacted with nitrogen, then red color is formed. For the most part, auroras just appear like a static band of light. But when things get interesting, that is when the solar winds get particularly intense, then that is when you see this dancing curtain of ever-changing colors. And that is so cool. Onto the subject of why I call them alien, this aurora is not exclusive to our Earth. It happens all throughout the solar system. You can see them in Saturn, Jupiter, or even Venus. So that is why I call them alien. Let's get into the part where I go virtually see these things. Oh, that was so cool. Whoa, that was so cool. Maybe I may not go see this in person. Maybe in the future I may not, I don't know. But this was cool. I didn't expect it to be like, I didn't feel that I was, this is a cheap headset, but there was something to it that made me feel like I was there. So I think that was so cool. I hope you enjoyed this video, and until next time, this is me, a striving amateur. Goodbye.